Good morning, respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers, and all the Xavierites. I, Divya Singh of Standard 12th Commerce B, along with my classmates, is here to conduct today's digital assembly. Nothing can be started without the remembrance of Almighty who created this world and all of us. So now, I would like to request you all to get ready for the prayer.
In his time, he makes all things beautiful. In his time, Lord, please show me every day as you're teaching me your way, that you do just what you say in your time, in your time, in your time. You make all things beautiful in your time. Lord, my life to you I bring, with its winter and its spring. May I fathom everything in your time. There's a time, both for sowing and for reaping. There's a time for losing, time for gain, time for joy and time for pain. Every purpose under heaven has a time. There are times, there are days, weeks and months we cannot understand God's ways. If for using fail to stand, what is His eternal plan? We'll remember that we can all the time. In His time, in His time.
Now, I will request an idol of knowledge and inspiration to all of us, that is our Father Principal, to come for the school prayer.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
Scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth, scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth. The school we love and cherish, dear. The school we love and cherish, dear. Preparing us for life's rough ways, preparing us for life's rough ways. Saint Xavier's forever we will cheer. Saint Xavier's forever we will cheer. God bless our dear old school. God bless our dear old school. Our principal, father, teachers all. Our principal, father, teachers all. Our playmates, students, all other friends. Our playmates, students, all other friends. Who will write our names immortal? Who will write our names immortal? Saint Xavier's our alma mater friend. Saint Xavier's our alma mater friend. God bless you is our daily prayer. God bless you is our daily prayer.
With the new day comes new thoughts, new strength, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes my classmate Prachi Mode with the thought of the day.
Very warm and cheerful morning to each and every one of you. I, Prachi, from class 12th B, is here to say today's thought of the day. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. According to this thought, when condition becomes difficult, people with strong character becomes more determined. Heavy rain made the going very tough. But as the saying goes, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Thank you so much.
Being an educated person gives you a good reputation and a good job and many other benefits. So now my classmate Preeti Sonrat is going to elaborate how education is important in building a successful career.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I am going to state the significance of education for a successful career. First, let us know what is education. Well, education is the most important tool that offers inner and outer strength to a person. The first thing that strikes in our mind when we think about education is gaining knowledge. Knowledge is the food for a man because in absence of knowledge, man cannot grow his food. The first purpose of getting good education is being a good citizen and then being successful in personal and professional life. Without education, one will not able to explore new ideas. It means that one will not able to develop the country because without ideas there is no creativity and without creativity there is no development in the nation. Education helps people to become a good citizen, get a better paid jobs and shows the difference between good and bad. It is not only for a good job or a good career. It is not only for employment but for empowerment. Because if you are educated, you become independent and you can do many things by yourself without depending on others. So as I end my speech, I like to leave some message says that if you feel quitting, think about it, why did you start it? Thank you.
Sacrificing is necessary to achieve something. Without sacrificing, you cannot achieve your success. So now my classmate Riya Thakkar is going to elaborate on the topic no pain, no gain.
Hello friends, today I am here to say few words about the topic we have heard the most from most of the people but actually followed the least. The topic is no pain, no gain is still a worthy motto for success in life. There's no such endeavor that comes without efforts. It's the pain we take inside and hard work we give outside that shows us the end results in life. In reality, we come across two roads. One, full of comfort, and other, full of pain. What will you choose? Pain or comfort? Comfort, right? But remember one thing. The road of comfort will lead you to a destiny with pains, whereas a road of pain will lead you to a destiny full of comforts. We all pray to God for an easy and simple life and don't wish to face difficulties in life. Actually, this is the root cause of most of our problems that we don't want pain in our life. It's like asking God that I like the day, but I don't want the night. Can there be a rose without thorns? Is this possible? Of course not. Remember, the pain you feel today will be the strength you'll feel tomorrow. Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard and succeed on purpose. We all know Sachin, Sindhu, Virat, Priyanka. They all are very successful in their respective fields. But did it take them a day or a two or a month or a two? No. It took them efforts and pain of years and years to reach where they stand today. We all know Rome was not built in a day. Sometimes we find failure difficult and stop trying after that. But you know what the fact is? Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. At times we find yorkers or full toss hard to play and even attempt to skip them. By this, you may be able to play a little long, but do you think you would be able to hit a century? Definitely no. So, you have to attempt and tackle every yorker and full toss of life and try your best to hit a boundary on each one of them. So, ready? Concluding it, I would like to say that everyone wants happiness. No one wants pain. But you can't have a rainbow without a little rain. Thank you.
Pledge is an oath to fulfill our duties. So now I would like to request our class teacher Juhi ma'am to read the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well being and prosperity.
It is the time to utilize our 52 seconds for the world's best national anthem. Let us all get ready for the national anthem. Now, I would like to thank our Father Principal to give us such a wonderful opportunity to conduct this digital assembly.